Well, hello, all you people out there in the land of YouTube. Hey, I got a special surprise today. My neighbor, a couple months back, turned me on to a band called Disturbed. Boy, I really like that band. And they redo a remix song of two guys back in the 60s, Simon and Garfunkel, and it was called Sounds of Silence. And boy, I really liked the way he sung the song in F sharp minor when it's originally done in D minor. It's a powerful song. I really like it, and I'm gonna play it for you today. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah, here we go. Sorry for the delay there. Okay, here we go. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision soft creeping left its seat while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains in the sound of silence. And in the restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, of pastry land. I turn my collar to the cold and damp when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, writing songs, voices will never share, and no one dares disturb the sound of silence. Fools said, you do not know, like a silent cancer grows. Hear my word that I might teach you. Take my arm that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
And the sign said the words of the prophet are written